Children, our next program is to create a data frame items from a list of dictionaries containing names of 5 items: cost price, sales price and discount. So first we have to import our pandas library and numpy library. So import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. We are importing numpy because in discount it is said that if any discount is there, then only you have to give values. So we have to use nan, np.nan. For that we are importing the numpy library. Now we have to create a dictionary. Let be d is equal to curly braces, then inside the curly brace values. First column name is name, that is item name. Then inside the list the names. So let it be name of items, like stationery items like pen, comma, then in single quotes pencil, comma, razor, comma, notebook, comma, sharpener. Square bracket close. Then next column name. So next column name is cost price. So we will write CP, cost price. Let it be 10, comma 5, comma 4, comma 25, comma 6. Next column name is selling price. Colon, (15, 7, 6, 30, 8. Square bracket close. The next item, next column name is discount. Square bracket. So it is not necessary to give discount for everything. So for particular item only we are giving discount. So we can write for all the items np dot nan. In nan, n is caps, NAN, both the n's are in caps. Then np dot NAN N comma NP dot comma 2% discount comma NP dot nan, square bracket close. So we have created the dictionary. Now we have to create the data frame. The data frame name is given as item. So we can write item is equal to pd dot data frame in bracket D. So D is our dictionary. So from the dictionary we are creating a data frame item. Print item. So let us see what will be the output. The output you can see 4 columns are there: name, cost price, selling price, and the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the discount you can see is only for notebook 2% discount is given. For the rest nan is there, not a number. Okay, thank you children.